price goes up, draw down, and we are stopped out. After I posted a video on the 1 minute scalping strategy using the one candlestick strategy, so many of you guys liked that video and you asked me so many questions which I want to answer in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scalp on the 1 minute chart using the 30 minutes chart as your higher time frame and getting your entries on the 1 minute chart using the one candlestick strategy in combination with CRT model. So guys, don't skip the video, watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any information. And also, if it is your first time, do subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the family. Also guys, give me a follow on all my socials. The links are in the description. Also join the free Telegram, and if you want to receive VIP setups, you can also join that. The link is in the description. Remember guys, this information that I'm sharing here is for educational purposes only. It should not be taken as financial advice. All right, do your own research. Don't rely on any of the information here as financial advice. Let's go onto the screen guys. Let's get started trading the CRT model with the one candlestick strategy to find good entries. Let's go. So what I have done is I have identified the current trend of the market, which is an immediate uptrend based on the moving average. You can see this is a 20 period moving average right here. You can use simple, you can use exponential. All right, so here the moving average is below the price, so I know that this is an immediate uptrend. And now the next thing that I am looking to identify is I am identifying the CRT model on the 30 minutes chart. As you can see here, this bullish candle here which has just closed, which I am going to mark, has created a low. You can see its lower wick here is below this red candle's lower wick, but the candle has closed bullish. So this forms a CRT model. If you want to find out more about the CRT model, I'll leave a link to a video explaining details of CRT at the end of this video. You can go and watch it at the end. All right, but it is a very simple concept. This candle here is bullish, but its low, its wick at the bottom is lower than the previous candle which was bearish. Okay, but this candle closed bullish, so that's a CRT model candle setup. So what I'm going to do here now is I am going to mark that candle's close on top. Remember, you mark the closed candle, don't mark the candle which is open, because if you mark the candle which is open, there is no way you're going to be able to find its closing price or its high and low because the candle is still open, right? So you mark the most recent closed candle. So this candle has just closed, that's why I am marking it. Right, you mark its close if it's a bullish candle, and then mark its low like this. Guys, I've shown you this several times on the channel. I believe you guys are familiar with these markings. All right, so then after this, I'm going to just put here a tradable box in between, and I'm going to extend it so that it creates enough space for the price to move on the lower time frame. Now when I go down after marking this to the 1 minute chart, when we come down now here to the 1 minute chart, you can see that this is the same box right here which we drew on the 30 minutes chart. So all I'm waiting for is the price to come back inside of this zone here and also below the moving average. The moving average is what I'm using to gauge or find entries in this case. After determining the CRT model on the 30 minutes chart, then I use the moving average to find entries and also use momentum candles. All right, so let's play this and see how this is going to go. Let's see. All right, price comes into but does not break below the moving average, so we wait, just wait for the price to come back down inside of the tradable zone, right, before you can find entries. Right, let's just wait. Price goes up, just wait. Okay, price is coming back inside of the tradable box. Wait, it's inside now. Now wait for the next break above the moving average right there. So we get a break above the moving average while the price was inside. So we take our first trade here at the close of that candle, and our stop loss is going to be at these lows here which the price created, and then the target would be at those highs there, or you just target a 1 to 2. So let's see if this plays out. Let's just see if we win this. Okay, price goes up, draw down, and we are stopped out. So on this first trade, we are stopped out. As you can see, this strategy is not 100% that it's going to win all the time. No, you have to trade it knowing that it has a win rate between 50 and 70%, sometimes goes to 80%. So here we're waiting for the next opportunity when the candles cross above the moving average. Let's see. So we see that the candle crosses above the moving average here, so we can take another trade here. Just here we can take another trade, and then we use this as the next low. Just down here we can use that as the next low, and then we can target that previous high also like that for a 1 to 2.7, right? And then we can move this forward and then see if the price actually goes there. Let's continue playing and see. You can see that this strategy, even if you lose once, you can still get another entry on the 1 minute chart. And then if you win just one setup, it recovers your first loss and then also gives you more profit. As you can see here, you get multiple entries whenever the price comes back inside of the tradable zone, like the way it is doing now. You can see here, when the price comes and breaks below the moving average, you can then enter another trade if the price breaks above the moving average. So you can have like 3 to 4 running trades with the same stop loss as this one, this first one, which is running, and then you can put them on the same take profit. For example, if you took a trade like here, it came back down and gave us another entry, we would take another trade. Let's just wait and see if we can get another entry here. Okay, like here, we could get another entry at this point right here, and then we would use this same area here as the stop loss because that is the current low. And then we could use this as the take profit here, okay? The same one as the first one, right? Then we can project them all forward. Let's just first play and see if we get another entry, right? Price goes up, wait for it to come down, right? When it breaks above again, we'll get another entry. Let's wait and see. Okay, comes close to stop loss. If it breaks above again, we get another entry, right? So here we get another entry right here. So now we have 3 entries, 3 running trades. You can divide your risk, like if you're risking 1%, you can just divide this to 0.3% so that you have still a 1% risk across all of them. All right, so all of them will have the same take profit like here. So let's play along and see. You can see now all of them are in profit, all the trades are in profit, right? Just keep holding this, just keep holding that. You wait, just keep waiting. When the price comes back down to the tradable zone, we can get another setup. But for now, let's just keep going, right? So it's back down. Let's wait for it to break above the moving average. Then we can add another entry, right? Okay, so you can see there, we can add another entry right here. And then we can use the same stop loss as the first ones like this. So you have now 4 trades running and they all have the same take profit level, right? So let me just adjust this so that we can be able to see how these play out. Can also pull the zone, the tradable zone a little bit forward. So let's pull the tradable zone a little bit further so that we can see how this plays out. So let me just pull this backwards here so that we can clearly see, right? So when we play, all the 4 trades are now in profit. Okay, as you can see, all the 4 trades will be in profit at this time. Just keep on playing and waiting until you see the price go into take profit. You can see price is now in profit on all the 4 running trades. Let's see if we go into profit. This one is really playing around the entries, right? Really playing around the entries. Let's see what happens. If it clears that high, it should go straight to take profit. Let's see. It's cleared that high and now we should see it pushing higher. Okay, pull back. Now it should push really high. Should push into profit. Okay, let's see. Almost reaching take profit. Almost reaching take profit. This is like an hour of trading, okay? It's like 1 hour of holding these trades here. So let's see. But you're basing this on the 1 minute chart. As you can see, we are almost reaching take profit in this case. There you go. So there we reached take profit, okay? After some time, it was like after an hour or so, you can see that all these trades, if you pull them forward, they all reach take profit because they have the same take profit. As you can see, they all will reach take profit, as you can see. So you have there an example of how you trade the 1 candlestick strategy using CRT models and entries using the moving average when the price pulls back into the tradable zone on the 1 minute chart. Guys, I've given you so many examples of trading this strategy. The majority of you guys who inbox me tell me that you are actually trading the strategy and it's working for you. So I really wish you guys well. I hope you guys who are skeptical or who don't actually put this into practice, go and practice this maybe on your demo account and see how this strategy works. Please follow all the rules. This strategy can transform the way you trade. It is a very simple strategy that is based on price action and market structure. It is also based on liquidity and the famous AMD pattern, which is the accumulation, distribution, and manipulation of the market. This strategy, once you understand it, it becomes very easy for you to come into the market every day, find your buyers, and then look for entries for you to take your trading onto the next level. Remember guys, if you're finding very good value with these videos I'm posting for you, show some support by liking the video, sharing this, and also commenting down below. Also subscribing if you're not subscribed to the channel. I'd really like to see you guys on board, and please guys, help this channel to grow. Share it as much as possible so that guys, we can become a bigger community. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.